Hey guys, Hal Guyman, Tess here. We're in Kuta Beach. We're gonna head down to the Lippo Mall, go see, they heard they got a lot of food outlets, all types of countries. We'll see what that, is like.
We're gonna fulfill our cravings.
It was recommended by Gary, Bali by Gary. Bali by Gary, another YouTuber we met on the street. So, hats off to him. We'll go check it out. It looks easier without, Full massages? Same thing?
Same thing.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
What is because the name of your resort? The resort name is Kandara in Bali, and also we have some in another country like we display inside, like in Scotland, India, and this one in Vietnam. Yeah, but in it closed. No. For right now because of coronavirus, it's still closed.
Oh, watch out, babe. We're here at the Lippo Mall, Kuta. Hey guys, Hal Guyman, Chunky Monkey Traveler. Hey, I'm gonna post a video. These videos are gonna be all over the place, but they'll all be Indonesia. I mean, we're bouncing around so fast between Nusa Penida, Ubud, and now we're in Kuta. I'm gonna post a video of this restaurant that we ate at out on the plaza, right in front of the Lippo Mall in Kuta Beach. I got this information from Bali by Gary. I'll put his channel in the link below. Thanks, Gary. I mean, awesome place. We ate at the Maui. Had some great red snapper. Had some chicken cordon bleu. Great stuff. So, like I says, you may see videos bounce from the Broken Beach and Crystal Bay Beach. A couple videos there, back to Kuta, back to Sanur and stuff, but I'll keep them all together pertaining to Indonesia before we move on to Thailand in about 10 days. So stay tuned, keep watching. Where are we?
We are in Lippo Mall.
Lippo Mall.
Yeah.
In the front of the place, where they have a lot of street vending markets, food restaurants.
I'm really craving for rice.
And we're at Mai Mai's. Maui.
Yeah.
So we'll see how the food comes. Fried calamari. Alright guys, I am having Maui chicken with some french fries. Almost like a chicken cordon bleu by the looks of it, but we'll see how it tastes. Tess is having a snapper and she's already digging in.